Hey, it's Tax Quips time from TaxMama.com. Today, TaxMama wants to give you something to think about before switching from employee status to independent contractor. Well, my friends, as far as individual taxpayers go, the biggest losers under the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act are employees who have unreimbursed out-of-pocket expenses. You won't be able to deduct them any longer from at least January 1st of this year through December 31st of 2025, and longer if Congress extends this harsh rule. That's why many employees are thinking of taking aggressive action and considering changing their status at work to become freelancers. This will allow the former employee to deduct all their expenses and potentially reduce your taxes. For those who successfully negotiate a change in status, it's important to understand the full impact of what you are doing. You will now be in business and will have to act like a business with all the responsibilities of a business: formation, filing, licensing, and reporting. And if you choose to set up a corporation, partnership, or LLC, you might have to face the costs of an extra business tax return. What do you lose that you are now getting as an employee? You lose sick days, vacation days, health insurance, some reimbursed expenses, no more bonuses, no paid holidays, no promotions or raises. As an employee, your employer pays half of your Social Security and Medicare, which is 7.5% of up to $128,700 in compensation, meaning nearly $10,000. And if your compensation is higher than that, your employer still pays 1.3% of everything over that income level. You're going to have to pay that. As an employee, you get state disability benefits. You get state and federal unemployment benefits. So you're going to lose all of that if you negotiate yourself out as a freelancer. So instead of taking off on your own, consider trying to negotiate with your employer. Maybe it's time that they paid your expenses via an accountable plan. That means you would submit your expense reports each month and they would reimburse you. That might require a slight reduction in your wages or commission percentage so everyone stays even. It's a good idea to sit down with a skilled tax professional to sort out the numbers to determine the best path for you and your employer. You can find enrolled agents here at the taxexperts.neea.org site and certified accountants here at the AICPA.org website. And remember, you can find answers to all kinds of questions about the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act and other tax and business issues free. Where else? At TaxMama.com.